welcome to my channel. You're welcome to Dinah. I know if you're new here, you're welcome, and if you're an old subscriber, mwah. Starting off, I'm using my Nude stocking cap. I'm just adjusting it to where I want it to be in my head, and then I'm using powder to make it the same color with my skin tone. Powder wasn't doing it for me, so I switched to foundation. So yeah, I'm just using my foundation now, and yeah, I think I got the perfect shade I want. This is the hair, of course. You already saw how I made this hair in the previous video. If you've not seen it, please do watch it. I'm going to leave it linked down in the description bar, and also a card up for you to watch how I made this. I applied foundation rather, to the lace on the wig so that it would match my skin tone. I did not bleach it. So I'm adjusting the cap on my head, making sure that the center is at the center. And the stocking cap kept going back because I did not glue it down. I don't want to glue it down because I'm not going to wear this hair for long. So this is how it looks like. I've brushed it out. And the next thing I would do now would be, I'm just trying to see how it will look like with baby hairs and all that, but it was looking too bulky. I don't know why it was looking like that in camera, but in real life it wasn't that bad. So I went ahead to start plucking it. I plucked it a little bit. I'm applying the detangling spray to make it soft. I didn't have water close by, so I'm just plucking it. You need to make sure it's wet before you pluck it, so that was why I used the detangler spray. So I plucked it a bit. Yeah, I'm still plucking, and I'm also going to repeat the same thing on the other side just to give me a more natural hairline. But I like the full look. You can see it's already looking better. Yeah, it's already looking better. I like a full hairline, but this one was looking too unrealistic, so I'm trying to pluck it out a bit. Yeah, I think it's looking way better than before. I could have plucked it even more than I did in the video, but there was no time, so I just managed it the way it is anyway. But it still looked bomb. So I'm done plucking. It looks better than what it was before. And then I adjust it on my hair. I'm trying to make the middle part very precise. I'm using my rat tail comb to do that. And now I'm going in with my got to be glued spray. That's what I'm using. I decided to shift the cap forward a bit, and then I'll spray the spray on my head. I don't want to spray it on my hair because like the edges I have, I'm managing it. I don't want anything to come and take it away, so I don't want glue on my own natural edges. I just sprayed it on my skin. I'll let it get tacky. I actually did 3 layers before putting down the lace on my skin, and with my hand I'm gently pressing it to my skin so that it's glued down together. It sticks to the glue. So I'm pressing the lace down on my skin. One mistake I made here was I think I sprayed the hair as well, so that area was a bit stiff, but no problem. I used mousse later and it was all better. So now I'm cutting out the lace. You see the way I cut it out. I didn't cut it out straight. I was cutting it out zigzag. That's how you should cut your lace, so that it will look natural in front and not just one blunt cut. And better still, use a small scissors instead of a big scissors like what I used. Don't do like me, okay? Okay, then I added more glue in front because it was coming out. It was standing up. The lace was standing up, so I added more glue and I pressed it down so that it will glue down and stick and not move around again. and then I proceeded to doing my baby hair. The baby hair was a struggle. I wish I had plucked this hair more. At this point I was thinking, you should have plucked this hair a little bit more, but probably when I'm going to wear it the second time, I'll definitely need to pluck the front a little bit more than I did. So I did the baby hairs. I used mousse, I used the got to be glued spray as a gel for me to be able to maneuver the baby hair. So that's my mousse. I'm using a regular toothbrush that I normally use for my edges. That's what I used for my edges. You see, I should have plucked it a little bit more, but no worries, I still liked it at the end of the day. That's what matters. As long as you're in love with what you did, that's what matters. Okay. And guys, oh my god, this is the second time I think I should be doing my edges on camera. It is hard doing your edges on camera. Like, I couldn't see because the ring light was so bright. Like, I couldn't see what I was doing clearly. I was struggling to see inside the phone. You know, the phone is bright, the ring light is bright at the same time. Like, it was a struggle. But at the end of the day, at least it still turned out, I would say, okay. If you've not subscribed, please subscribe to this channel. Okay, subscribe to this channel because there are more bombers content that will be coming after this one. More hair videos and maybe makeup videos depending on how I'm feeling. So support me by subscribing. The lace was lifting at this point, but I still glued it down. Like, I didn't want to show that. I just sprayed it again as usual and pressed it down, and this time it's stuck. It didn't move anywhere anymore. I'm trying to pluck the edges a bit. Like, I should have plucked this hair even more than this, but anyways, we move. I cut this one very short, as you will see. I don't know what was wrong with me, like these edges, and I wasn't seeing, guys, sincerely. The light was just too bright in my eyes, and I didn't just want to do my edges off camera and come back. Yeah, so this is what we have right now. I think it looks okay. If you ask me, it's okay. It's okay. If you had to score these edges, what would you give me? Be nice, oh, be nice. I'm just applying mousse to make it slip even more, and then I'm going to tie it down and leave it on for some minutes so that it would lay down properly, and yeah, come back and do the final styling. So this is it. So I'm just going to brush it. I'm using my what's this comb called again? Paddle brush. Oh my god, I'm using my paddle brush to brush it, and this is what we have right now. This is what we have right now. I beg, who they breathe? Who they? See beauty now. See beauty. I love how it turned out. I think the edges, aside the edgy which I don't think is that bad. Let me know in the comment section what you think. I really do love this. See me feeling myself now. I really do love this hair. It's so soft, very soft, and the detangling spray was a brilliant idea by Darling Nigeria, because it just made it easy to just put your hands through it, brush it, comb it, and anything. So subscribe, guys. Subscribe to the channel, like this video, share this video, leave a comment down in the comment section what you like about the installation process, how this video has been helpful to you, and just leave a comment. Let me know what you think about the hair. Would you be purchasing this hair?